Starting on the 1st of December, I'm looking at doing daily content on the channel as part of Vlogmas, and I want to make it that it's specifically on business and not just doing vlogs, because I am not good with vlogs. But I want to do content that would actually help you during this time. So the question I want to ask you in this particular video is, what questions do you have about business and specific things about business that you would like answers about that I haven't answered before, but I can actually do content about within the month of December. And what will happen is, once you have placed that question in the comments wherever you'll find this particular video, I will actually link to you, and people can be able to also follow you. If you're a YouTuber, if it's on Instagram or Facebook, wherever you see this video, I'll actually link to your profile. And I hope that will be of assistance to many of us who are thinking of getting into business as the year is closing and as we are preparing for the new year. So what I want you to do right now is go to the comment section of this particular video and place any questions that you have, and I will answer them as we get into the month of December. Hi, my name is Momo. Welcome to the channel and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.